RMEGB Compact Electric Finger. Highly integrated, compact and small. Easier wiring than pneumatic grippers. The output force is 2 to 5 times higher than others. High-speed opening and closing. Adaptive workpiece clamping. Reduce fixture changeover. Supports both internal clamping and external clamping. No need to connect to a computer for parameter adjustment. Precise and accurate force output. Protect the workpieces. Automatic detection and feedback. Industrial grade lifespan, durable and reliable. Installable on all 4 sides. Wide application in robotic arms, biomedical, 3C and semiconductors, automation. RMEGB, a compact electric finger that transcends past experiences.